There are, for the sake of completeness of Bhairav Tattva, so it's believed that there are, Rudrayamal Tantra mentions that there are 64 Bhairavas. Okay. And of these 64, 8 of them are very important. Ashta Bhairava.
You want to just name them?
Yeah. Asitanga Bhairava, Rudu Bhairava, Chanda Bhairava, Krodha Bhairava, Unmatta Bhairava, Kapala Bhairava, Bhishana Bhairava, Samhara Bhairava.
No Kal Bhairava, Batuk Bhairava?
इसके भी ऊपर रेल. ठीक है. So so as I said, we are never one. With one there are many always. They are all Bhairavas, but each Bhairava himself divides himself into so many to do various functions. Okay, and these Ashtabhairavas have their own domains. By the way, Kashi has Ashtabhairava temples. I think Almora has Ashtabhairava. I had been to the Ashtabhairava temple last month in Almora, visited there for certain sadhanas. Beyond the 8 Bhairavas, they are also guardians of certain directions and certain particular kinds of things. Okay. So, for example, Asitanga Bhairava, if somebody gets the blessing of that, he will have exceptional knowledge. Multiple fields. Exceptional knowledge. He'll stand out. His knowledge will stand out. Then there is, so Samhara Bhairava, for example, if there is a problem with respect to spirits or something negative, then he can be invoked. He will relieve that problem, etc. So beyond Ashtabhairava, there is Kala Bhairava.
Above.